To make your own bath bombs, first add 1 cup or 180 grams of baking soda to a medium-sized bowl. Then add 1/2 cup or 125 grams of citric acid, 1/2 cup or 120 grams of epsom salt, and 1/2 cup or 75 grams of cornstarch. Whisk the dry ingredients together until there are no clumps. In a separate bowl, combine 2½ tablespoons or 40 milliliters of almond or coconut oil and 3/4 tablespoon or 12 milliliters of water. Add 12 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils and 4 to 5 drops of food coloring. Then stir the wet ingredients together. Next, add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters at a time, so the mixture doesn't fizz. Whisk after each addition. When all the ingredients have been added, pack the mixture into bath bomb molds to shape it. Let your bath bombs dry for at least 24 hours, then remove them from the molds when they feel dry to the touch.